Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install Hotjar on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, open Hotjar, type full name, your email address, and click on get started. Now you have to make a strong password, and then after making a strong password, click on the next button. Now you have to copy the code from the tracking code, and after copying, in another tab, log into your Shopify store, and now open your Shopify admin page. From the left menu bar, click on the themes button, and now click on the actions button, which is also known as three dots button. And from the drop down, select the edit code option. Now in the next step, the code editor will open. So in theme.liquid, you have to first open the tab theme.liquid, and now you have to paste the code under the ending of head section. Like when you've seen /head tag, paste the code under that. And now click on the save button. So back to Hotjar and click on the verify installation button. And you will see the notification of Hotjar on your website. So that's how you will install Hotjar on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.